Hey guys, welcome back again. In this class, we are going to solve this nice math question. Okay, just see this. So our question is m power 5 plus n power 5 equal to 33 and m plus n equal to 3. So we need to find out the value of m and n. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I'll write what is given. Okay, so given is m power 5 plus n power 5 equal to 33. Okay, then m plus n equal to 3. Let us assume this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, just have a look at the equation 1. Equation 1 here, m power 5 plus n power 5. So m power 5 and plus n power 5, which is the expansion of power 5. Okay, right? For that, we need to find out the expansion first. So from 1 means now we are going to find out the expansion of m plus n whole power 5. Do you know the formula of m plus n whole power 5? Just like as a plus b whole power 5. So many of you find difficult to find out the power values when it is greater than cube. Means up to cube, it's very easy for you to find out the expansion. Means a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square, b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Like that, m plus n whole power 5. So it's very difficult. So we can easily get the expansion by Pascal's triangle. Do you have the idea of Pascal's triangle? By Pascal's triangle, it's very easy to get any expansion of any power. Okay, so if you want to know the detail of Pascal triangle and binomial theorem, just let me know in the comment section below. Inshallah, I'll try to make another video on that. Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk up to 5 expansion by using Pascal's triangle. So Pascal's triangle is very easy. First 1, then 1, 2, 1, then 1 plus 2 is 3, then 1 plus 2 is 3, then again 1. So next is 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, then again 1, then 1 plus 4 is 5, 6 plus 4 is 10, then 6 plus 4 is again 10, then 4 plus 1 is 5, and last is 1. So this is the method of Pascal's triangle. So up to we need to find the expansion up to 5, right? For that, I'll take up to 5, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 expansion I took it. Okay, so these are the coefficients. Okay, so here I'll write it I'll write the formula. Okay, m plus 5 m plus n whole power 5. So first here quotient is 1, that's why m power 5. Okay, n is not there, means n power 0. Okay, no need to write that. Then 5 is the quotient. Then m will be in decreasing order and n will be in increasing order. Okay, means here m power 5 is there. Then it comes m power 4. Then here n power 1. Here n power 0. Here n power 1, means n itself. Then again 10. Here m power 4 is there. Then here m cube. Okay, then n, here 1 is there. Here n square. Are you getting this point? So m will be in decreasing order, and whereas m will be in increasing order. Okay, then again m is the quotient, m, then n cube is there here, n square, then n cube. Okay, then 5 m n power 4. Okay, let me draw a line so that you will not get confused. Okay, then last is 1, means n power 5. So this is the expansion of m plus n whole power 5. Have you understood this step? Now just look at the next step. Here m plus n, we know the value of m plus n is 3, means 3 power 5 equal to Here I'll write the powers at one side, means n power 5, n power 5 to one side, n power 5 plus n power 5, then power 4 value 5, m power 4, n. Here again power 4 value is also there, 5 m n power 4, then cube I'll take, means 10 m cube n square plus 10 m square n cube. Okay guys, have you understood? So, do you know the value of 3 power 5? Yes, we know the value of 3 power 5. 3 power 4 is 81 and 81 into 3 is 243. Okay, 3 power 5 value is 243 equal to, here we know the value of m power 5, n power 5, which is 33. So, instead of this, we can write 33 directly. Then, here, just look at here, 5 is common and mn is common. That's why I am taking 5 mn as common. Then the left is m cube plus n cube. Okay guys. Then here 10 m square n square is common here. So 10 m square n square as common. Then the left is m plus n. Understood this step? So the next step will be, here I am just sending this part to here. Okay, then what happened? 243 minus 33 equal to 5 mn of m cube plus n cube plus 10 m square n square of m plus n value is 3. So we write 3 here. Okay. 210. Okay. So the next step will be 243 minus 33. Then the value is, so 210 equal to 5 mn of m cube plus n cube plus 10 3 is 30. 30 m square n square. Have you understood? So I'm just sending this part to here. Then it takes 30. I'm writing here m square n square plus 5 mn of m cube plus n cube minus 210. Okay. So let us treat that. Look. Okay, just look at this step. Here 5 will take as common. Okay, so 5 of 6 m square n square plus mn of m cube plus n cube minus 42. 5 4 20, 5 2 10 equal to 0. So the next step will be 6 m square n square plus mn of m cube plus n cube minus 42 equal to 0. So let us treat that this is equation 3. Okay. So just look at here m cube and n cube is there. First we need to find out value of m cube plus n cube. Okay, then only we can continue this step. So for this we need to find the expansion of cube, means m plus n whole cube. So now we'll take here, now m plus n whole cube. First we'll solve this, then only we can able to find the value of this. Okay, so what is the expansion of m plus n whole cube? We know the formula, m cube plus 3m square n plus 3m n square plus n cube. So we know the formula, but we just go with the Pascal's triangle again. So 1 2 3. So according to this we need to write the formula here. Just look at here. Okay, so 1 3 3 1 in this process means 1 means m cube plus 3m square n plus 3m n square plus n cube. From equation 2, okay, from equation 2, which is m plus n equal to 3, we are going to expand this step. What is equation 2? M plus n equal to 3. Therefore, we are just cubing on both sides. Then m plus n whole cube equal to 3 cube. Okay guys, so what is the formula of m plus n whole cube? Here, m cube plus 3m square n plus 3m n square plus n cube equal to 3 cube value is 27. Okay, so m cube plus n cube plus here 3mn is common, 3mn of m plus n equal to 27. Okay, so m cube plus n cube plus here 3mn of, we know the value of m plus n which is 3 equal to 27. So the next step will be here, what is here? M cube plus n cube plus 3mn of 3 equal to 27. Here we are going to multiply 3 and 3, means m cube plus n cube plus 9mn equal to 27. Okay, so the next step will be m cube plus n cube plus 9mn equal to 27. From this we can write it as m cube plus n cube equal to 27. Here this 9mn I am sending this side, then it takes minus sign, minus 9mn. Okay, let us treat this is equation 4. Okay guys, okay, this is equation 4. Now we are going to subtract this equation 4, which is m cube plus n cube value in equation 3. Okay, where here m cube and n cube, here in the place of this we are going to write this one. Okay, let's see that. So first I'll write subtract equation 4 in equation 3. So equation 3 is 6m square n square plus mn of m cube plus n cube minus 42 equal to 0. So 6m square n square plus mn of, what is the value of m cube plus n cube? 27 minus 9mn. 27 minus 9mn, okay, minus 42 equal to 0. That implies 6m square n square plus 27mn minus plus into minus 9m square n square, okay, minus 42 equal to 0. That implies here 9m square n square, 6m square n square, means minus 3m square n square plus 27mn minus 42 equal to 0. Here I am taking minus 3 as common, then m square n square plus 9 3s 27, means 9mn, sorry, here it takes the minus sign. Okay, minus of minus is plus, then plus into minus minus, 9 3 14s 42 equal to 0. Therefore we'll get m square n square minus 9mn plus 14 equal to 0. Okay, now we need to find out the roots of 14. Okay, now here 14 root is 7 2's 14. here already 9 is there, that's why we are taking minus minus here. That implies m square n square, okay, minus 7mn minus 2mn plus 14 equal to 0. That implies here mn as common, mn of mn minus 7, here minus 2 I am taking common, minus 2 as common, minus 2 mn minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, therefore mn minus 7 and mn minus 2 equal to 0. Now here two solutions arises, which is mn minus 7 equal to 0, then mn minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore mn equal to 7. So the next step will be mn equal to 7, mn equal to 2. So these are the two cases we get. Okay, now what we'll do, we know from equation 2, we know that equation 2 is m plus n equal to 3. From this we can get the value of m as m equal to 3 minus n. So we are going to write the value of m in this. Okay, so now what happened? So I am going to subtract this m value here, means 3 minus n of n equal to 7. Okay, then what happened? 3n minus n square equal to 7. That implies n square minus 3n plus 7 equal to 0. Now we need to find out the value of n here. We know the formula, n equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so from this we can write minus b, means here already minus 3 is there, minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a means 1, c means 7. Okay, divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so that implies plus minus of minus is plus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 square means 9 minus 7 4s 28 minus 28 divided by 2. Okay, that implies 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 28 is minus 19. Okay, minus 19 by 2. That implies, so that implies 3 plus or minus square root of 19. Instead of minus, we have to write I by 2. So here two roots are there. Therefore n equal to 3 plus square root of 19i by 2, which is one root, and second root is 3 minus square root of 19i by 2. So these are the two roots. Now we need to find out the value of m. So value of m. So we know that m equal to 3 minus n. Here we are going to subtract this n value. Okay, so m equal to 3 minus n. Okay, that implies 3 minus, what is the value of n? First we'll take this one. Okay, after that we'll take that. So m minus 3 plus square root of 19i by 2. Okay, so that implies 3 minus 3 by 2 is, the value is 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 3 is again 3 by 2 minus plus into minus minus square root of 19i by 2. So this is one value, and again now I have to take the this one, then m equal to 3 minus n. That implies 3 minus of, here I am taking this value, means 3 minus square root of 19i by 2. Okay, so what will happen? 3 to the 6 minus 3 means again 3 by 2 minus of minus is plus square root of 19I by 2. Okay, here we'll get two values m comma n as. So what is the value of m? First is 3 by 2 minus square root of 19I by 2 and n value is this one, 3 plus square root of 19I by 2. Okay, here we can write it as like this. Okay, this is one term. Then again value is, so if we get m value here, this 3 by 2 plus square root of 19I by 2 comma, and n value is this 3 minus square root of 19I by 2. Okay, so these are the complex solutions. Now this is only we find out when mn equal to 7. Now we have to find out these value. Okay, mn equal to 2. Again mn equal to 2 means we can, from 2 we can write m plus n equal to 2, where m equal to 2 minus n. So this 2 minus n I am going to subtract in this, then that implies 2 minus n of n equal to 2 means 2n minus n square equal to 2 n square. Okay, minus 2n plus 2 equal to 0. Sorry, m plus n is 3. Sorry, m plus n is 3. See, sorry for the mistake. M plus n is 3, then 3 minus n. Okay, 3 minus n equal to 2, then 3n minus n square equal to 2, n square minus 3n plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore the roots of 2 are 2 ones, minus 2 minus. So that implies n square minus 2n minus n plus 2 equal to 0. That implies n of n minus 2. Okay, then minus 1 of n minus 2. Okay, equal to 0. N minus 2 and n minus 1 equal to 0. Then n minus 2 equal to 0, 1. Then n minus 1 equal to 0, another equation. So n equal to 2, here n equal to 1. Now here also we need to find the value of m. So this n equal to 2 I am going to subtract in this. So m equal to 3 minus n. M equal to 3 minus n. Then m value is 3 minus, here n I am taking 2. That implies 3 minus 2 is 1. Here m equal to 1. Here same, m equal to 3 minus n. Here 3 minus 1 is there. Therefore m equal to here 2. Therefore m n values are, if I take one value, then I am getting n as 2. Okay, so mn value again, here if I take 2, then I am getting n as 1. So these are the solutions we are getting. So these are the complex one. So I hope guys you all understood this problem well. I know that this is somewhat very lengthy. Still I hope that you all understood this class. So if you understood, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.